Hello everyone, it's a beautiful Saturday and I'm making curry chicken, jasmine rice and a salad for lunch. Stick around if you want to see how I make it. At this point, add the sliced onion and the hot pepper to the hot oil and cook until the edges are golden brown. Add the curry paste and cook until it's grainy, fragrant, and the curry separates from the oil, stirring constantly and scraping the bottom of the pot to prevent it from sticking and burning. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes for this. Another option would be to add the curry powder directly to the oil, cook it for a couple of minutes, then add water and continue to cook until it's grainy and fragrant and it separates from the oil. seasoned chicken to the pot. I'm going to mix it very well to combine it with the curry paste. I'm going to continue to cook this for about 5 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. At this point it may appear that the curry isn't enough, but I promise you, as the chicken cooks, it will develop in color. I'm going to cover the pot now and allow the chicken to release its juices. I'm going to remove the cover every 5 minutes and stir it to baste it in its own juices. When the juices have evaporated and the chicken is fully cooked, continue to cook for a minute or two to once again develop the flavors, scraping the bottom of the pot to prevent sticking or burning. Then add 1 to 2 cups of water to make as much sauce as you like. Continue to cook for several more minutes until the sauce has thickened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add salt and pepper to your liking.